Hello and welcome to the Prince Daily Show of Script. I am Priya Gulati and here are the top entertainment headlines of the day. Rihanna's Mumbai visit for Fenty Beauty's promotion was all about Ambani's, but the influencers were left frustrated. Jafar Jackson's Michael has broken all biopic records and does historic business at the box office. It has surpassed the collection of films like Oppenheimer and Bohemian Rhapsody. Ever since global icon Rihanna arrived in India, the buzz across social media has been relentless. The singer turned entrepreneur visited the country in collaboration with Reliance Retail for the launch of a globally celebrated beauty line, Fenty Beauty. During her stay in Mumbai, she made several high profile appearances, including an intimate lunch hosted by the Ambani family at Antilla. Photos and videos from the private gathering quickly surfaced online. In one of the widely circulated clips, Rihanna is welcomed by Isha Ambani, Radhika Merchant, Shloka Ambani, and Anant Ambani. The video also shows her offering prayers at the family's private temple, reflecting a respectful nod to local traditions. Towards the end of the gathering, Rihanna joins the hosts in a celebratory dance as flower petals are showered over the guests, adding to the festive atmosphere. Later that weekend, Rihanna hosted a grand Fenty Beauty after party in Mumbai, which drew an elite mix of fashion designers, beauty influencers, business leaders, and film personalities. Celebrities like Janvi Kapoor, Manish Malhotra, and social media star Ori were spotted at the event, with several clips going viral online. Isha Ambani was also seen walking hand in hand with Rihanna, further highlighting the close association between the global star and the Ambani family. The launch itself marks a significant expansion for Fenty Beauty in India. The brand is set to be available through Reliance Retail's beauty platform Tera as well as through the international retailer Sephora, making Rihanna's inclusive beauty line more accessible to Indian consumers. However, Rihanna's visit was not without controversy. Reports of a major delay at a key influencer event quickly gained traction online. According to multiple attendees, the singer arrived nearly 5 hours late, which left many guests frustrated despite their excitement. One of the influencers, Yashita, shared her first hand experience on Instagram, shedding light on what happened behind the scenes. She revealed that the event was scheduled to begin at 7:30 p.m. and attendees arrived on time, dressed and excited to see Rihanna. However, as the hours passed, 8 p.m., 9 p.m., and beyond, it became clear that the singer was significantly delayed. According to her account, attendees were left waiting for hours, sitting, standing, pacing, and repeatedly checking their phones. Despite growing fatigue, hunger, and confusion, most of them chose to stay, driven by the anticipation of just catching a glimpse of the star. By midnight and even 1 a.m., she had still not arrived, with many guests effectively spending their entire Friday night at the venue. The influencer described that the most surprising moment was when Rihanna eventually arrived at 3 a.m., nearly 5 hours after the scheduled time. By then, several attendees had already left, including Jashoda herself. She noted that for many, the long wait did not match the brief interaction they ultimately received, raising questions about event management and time respect. Many influencers even posted AI generated images of themselves with Rihanna. Influencer and entrepreneur Parul Gulati was one of them. Sharing the AI generated image, Parul wrote, "Met Queen Riri, but not quite literally. I AI generated the image." This incident has sparked broader online discussions about celebrity culture and brand accountability. Many social media users pointed out that while star power draws crowds, events of this scale must also prioritize professionalism and respect for attendees' time. Some users praised influencers who spoke candidly about the experience rather than portraying an overly glamorous version online. Now, this wasn't Rihanna's first high profile appearance in India. She previously visited in 2024 to perform at the pre wedding celebrations of Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant. Overall, while Rihanna's India visit successfully amplified the launch of Fenty Beauty and created massive cultural buzz, the delayed appearance at the influencer event has added a layer of criticism, highlighting the gap that can sometimes exist between curated social media moments and on ground realities. Jafar Jackson has been widely praised for his portrayal of Michael Jackson in the biopic Michael. Responding to the positive reception, he shared a heartfelt message on Instagram expressing his gratitude to the audiences. He wrote, "Wow, so incredible to see. The world has spoken and everyone is showing up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I couldn't be happier or more grateful." Directed by Anthony Fuqua and written by John Logan, Michael chronicles the legendary artist's journey from his early days in Gary, Indiana, and parts of the Jackson 5 to his rise as a global superstar, highlighting landmark albums like Off the Wall and Thriller. The film premiered in theaters and IMAX on April 24. Although critical responses have been mixed, the box office run of Michael tells a different story. The film has opened strongly in India, earning around 19.20 crore within its first 3 days. A notable 38.9% jump on its second day suggests strong word of mouth and growing weekend momentum. Michael has overtaken Straight Outta Compton, directed by F. Gary Gray, which told the story of hip hop group NWA and their manager Jerry Heller. It has also surpassed Oppenheimer, directed by Christopher Nolan and starring Cillian Murphy. Another film Michael beat is Bohemian Rhapsody, directed by Bryan Singer and starring Rami Malek as Freddie Mercury. That movie opened at 51 million in North America and Canada. Overall, Michael has performed exceptionally well worldwide, earning $120.40 million overseas and reaching an impressive global total of $217.4 million. Amir Khan's son Junaid Khan is preparing for the release of his upcoming film Ek Din, in which he stars alongside Sai Pallavi. The film's team recently organized a musical event in Mumbai titled Ek Din Ki Mehfil, where several moments, especially Amir getting emotional, quickly went viral on social media. During the event, Amir praised Sai Pallavi, who is making her Hindi debut, calling her the best actress in the country today. In one of the clips, Amir is seen tearing up while seated at the event, smiling and chatting with Sai Pallavi as he wipes away his tears. Directed by Sunil Pandey and produced by Mansoor Khan, Amir Khan and Aparna Purohit under Amir Khan Productions, Ek Din is a romantic drama. The film also marks a reunion between Amir Khan and Mansoor Khan as co-producers after many years. The duo previously collaborated on films like Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar. Ek Din is set to release in theaters on May 1st. Thank you for watching and follow for more.